I am excited to give you guys a close look at these Gelly Roll gel pens from Sakura. You will get 6 in your set, and they come in a bunch of different sizes. I've laid them out here to give you a closer look so you can see kind of the differences. It's marginal, but if you are someone who is artistic, then it could make all the difference. So we've got 5, we've got 8, we've got 10. You'll get 2 of each. So here's 5 and 8 and 10. 10 is definitely a bit of a fatter nib there. And I'll give you guys a quick look of how you can use them. My husband absolutely loves using the Post-its, these black Post-its with them. It gives it a really cool effect. So here, let me try and write with my left hand. I'll do a quick little heart for you guys if I can even get there. So that's the 5. Let me do the 8 really quick. Here's another heart. They're totally just rolling away at the moment. There's another one, kind of. Yeah, I definitely should not try drawing with my left hand ever. And here is the fattest one. There's kind of a difference for you there. Hard to tell with my weird drawings, but you get the picture. These are some excellent pens. They work for a variety of needs. They also don't smell at all if an odor is something that you're concerned with, and they dry very quickly. They do smudge a little at first. You'll see there. These ones have already dried though. I think this one was a bit inkier. But overall, if you're looking for some nice white gel pens for whatever it is, art, black Post-its, then this is an excellent choice for your needs.